Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden, here to take you through today's market action. Stocks rallied on the back of Wednesday's interest rate cut from the Fed. All four of the major indices hit record highs, led by a 2.5% rally in the Russell. The Nasdaq gained 1%, the S&P added 0.5%, while the Dow tacked on 0.25%. Tech led the S&P sectors with a 1.4% gain today. However, not all sectors joined in the market rally. Consumer staples traded 1% lower. Consumer discretionary slid 0.5%. AI continues to dominate headlines, this time with Nvidia announcing a $5 billion investment into Intel. The partnership will center on building CPUs and co-developing multiple generations of customer data center and PC products. The 10-digit investment follows the U.S. government taking a 10% stake in the company last month. Taiwan Semiconductor initially sold off following the announcement before rebounding, while shares of Intel skyrocketed to a 14-month high. And CrowdStrike's higher than expected ARR growth for fiscal 2027 sent the stock soaring throughout the session. The cybersecurity firm is back near all-time highs after it called for 22% total growth compared to Wall Street estimates for 20% growth during its FallCon 2025 event. More than a dozen analysts raised their price targets for the stock following CrowdStrike's commentary. And Darden Restaurants was one of the S&P's worst performers on the session following its earnings miss. The stock slid to a 5-month low. Rising beef prices due to tariffs created headwinds when it came to quarterly profits. Darden's revenue still climbed 10% higher from last year, driven by same-store growth in Olive Garden and Longhorn Steakhouse, two of the company's flagship enterprises. The company also slightly raised full-year sales guidance. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Marley Kayden. Remember, you can tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel.